A well-manicured lawn is the pride of any homeowner, and achieving that lush green carpet requires the right equipment. Lawn mowers play a crucial role in maintaining the health and appearance of your yard. With a wide variety of options available on the market, choosing the perfect mower can seem overwhelming. In this article, we will explore the different types of lawn mowers and their unique features, helping you make an informed decision and select the best tool to achieve a pristine yard. Electric lawn mowers are gaining popularity due to their quiet operation, eco-friendliness, and ease of use. They come in two main types, corded and cordless. Corded electric mowers require a power outlet and provide unlimited runtime, while cordless models operate on rechargeable batteries, offering greater freedom of movement. Electric mowers are generally lighter, require minimal maintenance, and produce zero emissions. They are ideal for small to medium-sized lawns with even terrain. However, corded mowers may have limitations due to the cord length, and cordless mowers have limited battery life. After hours of research, and after taking expert advice, we have listed the top 5 best products mentioned in this video. The links for the product mentioned in the video or in the description box below, which help us to find the best one for your budget. Number 1. The Works Landroid L is my top choice for the best robot lawn mower. With the 8-inch cutting deck, it can mow lawns up to a half acre, which is perfect for most suburban lots. The cutting disc sits on a floating pivot to automatically rise and drop to follow your lawn's terrain, reducing the chance of scalping or missing low spots. Built-in sensors help the Landroid L navigate around obstacles and through narrow paths, so you don't have to worry about it getting caught in your flower beds or stuck between your tool shed and the house. A companion app for your smartphone or tablet allows you to check on battery life, set a mowing schedule, and even specify your lawn's soil makeup and type of grass for more efficient mowing and overall care. A built-in alarm helps deter thieves, but if someone does manage to make off with your robot mower, the GPS-enabled companion app lets you track their whereabouts so you can recover your property. Number 2. Best Mower RM24A lawn mower. Since robot mowers are such a new technology, they can be quite expensive. Fortunately, the Mower RM24A is one of the more affordable options on the market, with a price tag that sits comfortably under $1,000. The 9.5-inch cutting deck and 28 volts battery allow the RM24A to mow yards up to a quarter acre, while the large rear wheels help it tackle steeper hills and inclines. The brushless motor runs much more quietly than gas mowers and many other battery-powered mowers, which means you can enjoy your deck, patio, or backyard while the RM24A is mowing your lawn. And it won't annoy the neighbors as it follows its 48-hour mowing schedule. This robot mower automatically mows every 2 days to keep a consistent cut across your entire lawn. It even has rain sensors to let the mower know it's time to return to the docking station when storms roll in. Number 3. Husqvarna 115H. Best quick charging robot mowers run on either interchangeable or integrated batteries. They'll need routine charging for optimal run times. Unfortunately, that also means you could get stuck waiting for your mower to charge before it can finish cutting the grass. The Husqvarna 115H has one of the fastest charging times, reaching full battery in just about an hour. You can tackle other outdoor chores like edge trimming and pulling weeds while you wait, and you won't have to schedule mowing over several days to allow for charging times. The 8.5-inch cutting deck lets the 115H mow up to a quarter acre, and with its lift and tilt sensors, the blades automatically stop if the mower gets picked up. This protects pets, kids, and adults from getting hurt if the mower gets stuck on an object or if it gets flipped over. The integrated anti-theft alarm only can be shut off with a specified PIN number, meaning thieves can't disable the alarm before making off with your robot mower. Number 4. When it comes to maintaining a pristine lawn, having the right tools can make all the difference. Greenworks, a leading manufacturer of outdoor power equipment, has introduced the Greenworks 25223 cordless lawn mower, a game changer in the world of lawn care. This innovative mower combines the convenience of cordless operation with impressive power and efficiency. Let's delve into the features and benefits that make the Greenworks 25223 cordless lawn mower a top choice for homeowners seeking a reliable and eco-friendly solution. The Greenworks 25223 cordless lawn mower is a testament to the power and efficiency of cordless technology. With its high-performance cutting, dual functionality, adjustable cutting height, and user-friendly design, this mower offers a reliable and eco-friendly solution for homeowners seeking a well-groomed lawn. Embrace the convenience and freedom that the Greenworks 25223 brings to your lawn care routine, and experience the joy of maintaining a beautiful yard with ease. Choose Greenworks for a greener and healthier lawn. Number 5. We found that this mower is nicely designed and equipped with features you hardly see in this class and price of product. You get 10-inch rear tires to help it better roll over washboard surfaces, dual batteries, and 3-function capability: mulch, side discharge, and bag. The Greenworks 25223 cordless lawnmower is a testament to the power and efficiency of cordless technology. With its high-performance cutting, dual functionality, adjustable cutting height, and user-friendly design, this mower offers a reliable and eco-friendly solution for homeowners seeking a well-groomed lawn. Embrace the convenience and freedom that the Greenworks 25223 brings to your lawn care routine, and experience the joy of maintaining a beautiful yard with ease. Choose Greenworks for a greener and healthier lawn. Icing on the cake includes its steel deck with 7 positions from 1/1/8 to 3 inches, all controlled by a single spring-loaded lift mechanism. The deck is continuous from the rear wheels to the front, and a hatch at the back provides access to the bag.